Mr. Paevu. Coming in with some... Ooh, he's got a couple E-Dragons. He's going to go lightning onto the monolith, straight into the core. And a Skelly Donut. A Zap Skelly Donut into here, trying to take out the multi and the scatter shot. And it looks like he's able to... Not... Yes, maybe... Yes, just able to get that value. All right. As that Flame Flinger is going to get the value off to the right side with an E-Dragon in this area. Is he going to send the E-Dragon for this Town Hall with a couple more E-Dragons? So it's like Sui E-Dragons for a Town Hall here. We got pulled a couple red air bombs. That Flame Flinger is still going. The invisibility spell will activate here soon. Not yet. There's a tornado trap getting spun around. There, out comes the CC, Headhunters, the archers. He's going to have to freeze it. No, he's not going to freeze it. The E-Dragons are going to ignore it. He's got 6 regular balloons left. Can the E-Dragons lock out of the Town Hall next? Well, obviously, they'll just hit the closest building. He's got sneaky goblins to potentially help take that down. The E-Dragons got that a whole right side near the Town Hall. There's the sneaky goblins to go secure. It's damaged quite a bit. As we've got golems, the queen. Town Hall's been secured as he's going to push his way to the top side. And now it's going to come down to this hero push. He's got an air warden down to the bottom side with a few balloons. He's separating his troops everywhere on the space as the king's coming into the top side. The warden is solo down there. Now the queen's going to get stuck on this hound, but the Electro Titan should help tremendously to get through it. But the Eagle Artillery is still up and has the Royal Champion to send in with a couple Headhunters. That Electro Titan is helping clear those lava pups. The defensive king is going down slowly, but there's some balloons, there's Headhunters, and the Royal Champion. The Warden's ability is going to be forced. One Headhunter dodges the spring trap. He's really broken this base down. Look, one more Rocket Loon. That Royal Champion's moving through. Queen's got her ability. Look at this. Can it work? Sends the Rocket Loon into the air defense. That RC is going to be clutch. Queen's ability. This is looking good. This is looking good here for Paevu. Completely broke this down. The Zap, Skelly Donut, Sui E-Dragons. Whoa. Well, what an attack on a box type of base to kick off this match. Well, this was beautiful with the Royal Champion now making her way into that core clan castle. What an attack here. Just enough to start it off with the 3-star GG to Paevu. Oh, wait! There's Tryhard! I saw Tryhard for a second! Did you see Tryhard? Tryhard is with KingsMan. What? Oh, my. I caught him for a glimpse. As we got 18 Rocket Loons here for KingsMan. Okay. He's got 5 Invis. And there we go with some balloons off to the right side to help grab... Oh, using that bat spell to help distract the air defense. We're taking out the air defense up top. This air defense should go down with a balloon. Nope. The back should help take it down. Yes. No. Oh, no! The builder! So he sends one Rocket Loon to sneak in to take it down. Oh! Rip the builder, repairing it. Okay. Here we go with that blimp. Gonna go in towards the town hall. He's gonna go with the blizzard to help try to remove it. We got the invisibility spell. Oh my gosh, that hound! It just disappeared in a second! There was no pups to speak of! Rip to the pups, but they're... Uh-oh. Town hall is visible. Is he okay? Yeah, they're going to turn around. They're going to go for everything. And then go for the town hall. Then they're going to go for the monolith here. Oh, he loses a bunch of super wizards. He can't take out the enemy queen. He's only got 2 left. Going to do some damage, but down they go. As he's going to lure the ice golems off to the right side by his queen. With 14 more rocket loons to use. King, Ice Golem, going to make their way towards this Eagle Artillery. And the Grand Warden on ground. And the Eagle Artillery is getting some shots off. He has 1 P.E.K.K.A to utilize. There's a Rage Bell. Is that his? Or defense? No, that's his. He uses it, so he gets raged up to move into the King to get through this section. Royal Champion's going to go towards the Scatter Shot, it looks like. not towards the multi at the moment. The defensive rage goes off. There's a freeze. The Headhunter is doing work, takes out that enemy queen. World Champion's working onto the multi now as his queen steps into the Eagle artillery as he's trickling Rockaloons up and around this base. World Champion's ability is going to be forced. Taking out the multi. Now she's going to step in to go grab the scatter shot. There's a freeze. The Diggy is dead, so he can't keep that RC from stunning anything anymore. As Rockaloons are picking off the Archer Tower, he's only got 2 Rockaloons left, and he freezes. But the problem is, the Ground Expo locked down to his RC, froze again, as the enemy Royal Champion does go down to that Headhunter one shot. Wait! The Headhunter is in the circle of the scatter shot! So it can actually take it out if he takes out this Ground Expo with this queen, but she's going down. No way, the Headhunter has snuck in to try to take that down. Down goes the Ground Expo. And he might just have enough because of it. The Electro Titan. Oh, the Giant Bomb. Down she goes. What? Are you serious? The OP Headhunter is sneaking right on in. But we only have 12 seconds. That Headhunter, I don't think it can remove the CC in time. Down goes the scatter. The P.E.K.K.A. is going to remove that mortar. But the Builder Hut is going to stay. And it's a 98% for KingsMan. Oh, great effort there. Is Lexnos' cat going to jump on top of him in the middle of the attack? You never know what happens with this man. As he's got 20 giants. Count them. 20 giants, a Valkyrie. He's got 4 Invis. All right. Let's see. With some balloons, an Air Warden probably. He's going to join in. Nope, it's going to be a Ground Warden. The Blimp is going to protect the balloons, the Blimp. He's going to pull the CC, which is going to run all the way across to the Ground Warden here. Nope, the Archer's going to stay with the Blimp for the moment. Headhunters as well. Doesn't lure out any of the ground troops. He's got super minions. There's a Rage. There's a Clone. There's an Invis. He does pull a Seeking Air Mine. Another Invis. He's trying to remove the Monolith. He doesn't want to pull any... Oh, he did. He actually removed that Clan Castle. Nice and easy. No more invisibilities. The Ground Expo is dead. The Warden is gone. The Queen is up top. And the Tornado Trap has been pulled. Did he get the value he wants? At least he doesn't have to worry about a defensive CC now. As he makes his way up. With 1 healer. 1 balloon. Will he be able to protect that healer of that potentially the Queen or whatever he decides to use it on? We've got giants, and he's going straight into a Tassifarm, finding some spring traps, continuing his path in. We got 4 ice golems to really try to protect this, as the king is going to move his way left. Wall breaks his way in. 13 more giants. Remember, no warden to protect here. So he's got... Oh, another spring trap. He's finding spring traps everywhere towards that side. As we've got a giant bomb. Ground skeletons. At least he cleared the Tassifarm, which is nice. But he's only got 1 minute and 30 seconds left. As he's going to continue this push through. That super minion is still up. Hanging on. Doing some work onto that sweeper. And he's really holding off on these giants here. He wants to get that queen towards the town hall. 1 freeze and a handful of skeletons. He's pushing his way in. Come on, what can he do? Queen and her ability. More ground skeletons are popping. He needs to take those down. Pops the king ability. Now sends an ice golem. Giants with a royal champion over to the far right side. A 1 solo healer. Pops the queen ability. Oh, the invis wasn't even touching the town hall. So the queen ability can secure it. Queen's going for the single. The giant is getting locked down to the ground expo. Sends headhunters into the defensive king. And he's sprinkling these troops around with the giant. Ice Golem, the healer, unfortunately, he's on the outside giant, not the royal champion. He's got a poison to use onto the royal champion. Can this work? Can this have a chance at working? He freezes up the enemy RC. Uses the RC ability. He needs to get some cleanup, but the problem he can't. There's an Air Expo off to the left side. That Diggy is still up. The Giants are running. If anything, time is not on his side. There's the Invis still up. He's running through. Is this going to be a time fail here? The RC is dying. She's going to go down. That Air Expo locks onto her, but... Oh, man, Lex, what an attack here. It's going to be a time fail. Most likely, the wizards are moving around, and the healer is healing up skellies. Why? And it's a 95 one-hit attack from Lex with 20 giants and super minion blimp. Great effort. With 61 minions. Oh my. If this works, we've seen Exorcist and Itsu try to do an attack similar to this, and they fell short. This is such an hard attack to do. Because one red air bomb and bye-bye to your minions. As that queen. And look at that. You can see. You can barely just see Tryhard. Let me move him. Let me move it so you guys could potentially see Tryhard a little bit more. Hold on. I gotta move his webcam. There you go. There's Tryhard. Look at him. Helping the IRL spot. He's watching him. We got that queen. She's gonna try to make her way to the town hall. The poison onto the headhunter CC. He's gonna move his way over. Wait, he's looking over KingsMan's shoulder, but it's almualin who's actually attacking. He's not spotted KingsMan, so he's got to somehow, maybe if they're in voice together, help him that way. It's all a team here. As that queen's gonna slowly make her way towards that town hall. Rocket Loon goes towards the bomb tower. Not gonna be able to take that down. The queen is continuing her charge. 60 more minions. Oh, man. He's got minute 43. He's really pushing this through here. The queen goes for the wall. Queen, why? Uh-oh. Guys. But that wall is... Oh, wait. Does he go for the clan castle? What is he going for? Is he going for the sweeper? Then the multi? Uh-oh. This could be bad. This could be bad. He makes that invisible, so the queen steps to the CC and then goes to the town hall, but it's going to make it all invisible, so the queen reroutes. Uh-oh. Oh, no. He didn't use a freeze. This is not good. So he's going to send him into the town, towards the king toward the bottom with the headhunter royal champion down there. Queen's going to remove the eagle. Where's she going to go next? He does not have any rages. The eagle at least is now gone, but the ground expo doing work. He's going to freeze the town hall and the invisibility. So the queen comes back, and he's going to go with the minions to the far left side. Queen and her ability. He's got no freezes left. Oh, no. One red air bomb. These guys are gone. Are you serious? There's no way he can path through this multi and the scatter with these... What? Oh, man. He's going. He's going for it. He's got 7 balloons as well. Oh, one shot. They're gone. When's the warden? He uses the warden ability now. Hello, red air bombs. The super minions are hanging on. But that multi-target inferno. He's got the balloons to the bottom side. No way. He's got rock balloons coming around. 20 seconds. What? Look at this. Is this going to time fail? That queen's going to go for the platform. 12 seconds. He's running. It's going to open the... No. Those walls are damaged. The warden. The minions. The rocket loon. Can he do it? 5. What? No way. He just did it. almualin with 61 minions actually gets it done. What? It's a 3. Wow. Attack. And he's looking to bring 18 super barbarians in this hit here. We've got that queen to the right side. Trying to use the bowlers to get that funnel, but I don't think he got it. He's finally now deploying the healers onto this queen. Rages. Oh, no! The queen ability has been forced. And he drops a battle drill off to the right side. And the queen might be going... No, no, no! The queen's going the wrong way! The skellies are pulling her that way. Uh-oh. He's got to think on the fly. He's got to think quick. Is he going to funnel this side down to the bottom side to bring this queen back to the town hall? But remember, no more queen ability. Yes, there is the baby dragons, but was it in time? Will the queen go into the... Yes, she does. Step into that ground expo. We do have the multi, but the invis is there. Yeti... Okay, no, she's actually moving away towards the town hall next as it all becomes invisible. So the queen goes for the king first, taking him out, and then she can lock back onto the town hall since the invis did wear off. And he makes that queen invisible to try to secure this town hall. As we got the king to the far left side. We got the world champion up to the top. We got Rocket Loons trying to keep this queen alive, taking out the double cannon. Royal Champion's moving through. There's a rage on the queen. We got double seeking air mine. He's taking a bunch of traps. A red air bomb. These healers are going to die so quick. And that queen is gone. She's not going to be able to get much else. And that ground expo won't even go down as a triple Ice Golem Clan Castle is coming out of here. He's going to move his way through with that king ability. He's going to continue his path through. Pops the Warden Eternal Tome to protect as much as possible. The defensive rage spell is going off, which means that Eagle Artillery, those shots are going to be deadly. It's going to be nasty here. Now it's a matter of how much percentage can he get, because almualin's base is going to be holding because that queen did not go where he wanted. Great effort there to Paevu. He's got a few more headhunters to utilize. 69% can get all the buildings to the top side with his wizards. He's still getting some decent percent here, you know? It's still moving through. Grabbing the storage. If he can grab the top side. Oh, but we do have the ground expo really protecting this whole area. But he's got a few minions that go and clear it. The storage needs to go down. And it's going to be 77, 8, 9, 8, about an 80%, 81. That's what it looks to be. This match is going to be a crazy finale. What is going to happen? We have plenty of more attacks to come in this 4 versus 4 match. Whew. There it is. 81% for Paevu. With 25 hogs, 7 healers, and a recall spell. What do we got? With the town hall to the bottom side. We got a couple, 3 rages. Let's see here. Defensive rage to the top side, which is covering the double multis, 2 ground expos, and... oh, he's going to do a warden walk and a queen walk. He's doing both at the same time. So he wants that queen to take out the top side with that flame flinger. He wants the warden walk to clear the left side and then send the hog somewhere else. Not with the warden? Okay. There's... oh, okay. He pulls the queen right away. So he wants the flame flinger to go grab the multis and the rage spell. Okay, he's breaking this up a little bit differently. Not your typical queen charge hogs. It's a double hero charge hogs. As the flame flinger is going to clear that top side. Nice use of the recall there for the queen to get that value. I think, was there... no. I'm trying to think. Was there actually the defending king up there? Is he dead up there? Yeah, he was the defending king there. As, oh, the ground expo does indeed lock on to the flame flinger as the rocket loons, all of them, do come out. Oh, but he finds a tornado trap. So he's not going to be able to remove the second multi up there as the queen is going to continue her charge towards this town hall. So unfortunately there, now he sends the king. Oh, that one became invisible. He used an invisibility spell on his warden. Uh-oh. What? It's the healers are just healing a circle. What are the healers doing? Oh my, that's so confusing. As he's moving his way in, pops that king ability, can really protect everything. He's going towards the eagle, towards the defensive rage. And the headhunter is staying alive, taking out the enemy RC. His queen is still trying to path her way to the town hall. As he's moving through, those hogs need to keep going. He's got to Tassos behind by that monolith. He's still controlling this queen, keeping her alive with balloons off to the right, but his hogs are all gone. He's got to freeze. He's got to invis. That queen's ability is probably going to have to be forced, or what he's going to do. They're going to backtrack. The healers have stuck on the barbarians. Queen pops the ability to try to stay alive now. It's looking good. The invisible warden is sneaking around. The defense just won't target him because he's just invisible. Rip to that. It's the sneaky warden there. Oh my, makes this queen invisible, and KingsMan looking good here. Wow. Very interesting to break that up. Not your typical hog rider attack. The double healer charge, or hero charge, I should say. Recalling that queen initially to let that flame flinger get some nice, and there you go. Even Tryhard is giving KingsMan the round of applause. Well done. And we'll still have another one. Oh, goodness. Let's see. Lex is taking that drink of water. He's fueling up. You can see him. He's ready. All right. What you got, Lex? What are you bringing? Couple rockaloons? You got some healers? Flame Flinger to start. Man, sending that Flame Flinger solo. Obviously, there can't be any giant bombs too early on. Sends a hog to test for Teslas. There could be a giant bomb between these, but most likely not. As this is what I'm trying to figure out what he wants to do in this plan here. Flame Flinger is going to continue its way through. Okay. He's moving in. There's rockaloons to take out the mortar so the Flame Flinger can keep going. To go for this air defense, eventually go to the bomb tower. As we got that Yeti towards the top side here. Taking out the cannon with the wizard's help. And the Yeti mice will grab the archer tower. But this, so far, is already used 1 minute, basically, in the attack. Quite a bit of time already used here. As we got skeletons in front of this queen. Balloons coming to try to get the cannon. Rockaloons as well. There's the wall breaker to open up. Double seeking air mines, which is fine. Still, actually, that's really good because he's got healers to send in. So that those balloons can really protect these healers on this charge if there's going to be a queen charge. Or does he go something else? All this ground skeleton, Tassel Farm. Look at all this. My goodness. That Tassel Farm would be a nightmare, but he's able to keep this queen up, be able to continue her charge in. And we got Yetis coming out of the Flame Flinger, going for that defensive as RC. She's going down. But no, he's not using healers on his queen. He's got a different plan. He's got a healers on his RC. Okay. Here we go. Warden as well to join in. These ground skeletons. Rages pops RC ability to really try to path his way in. But unfortunately, gonna have to get stuck on this lava hound and balloons. That CC, yes, that poisonless is gonna really help just absolutely shred through that lava hound really quickly. But I don't know if that RC can stay alive here as the King's coming to the bottom side. That Eagle Artillery is doing work. We still have the single. Makes his RC invisible. Rages her up to try to get her back. And she's back to full health here. But he's ignoring the multi-target Inferno. That RC is going to take way too much damage here in the core. He does freeze it up. But unfortunately, that's going to fall short. He wanted that RC to really push her way through. It wasn't going to be a queen charge, but it was an RC charge into the core of the space. Just too many defenses on that RC. Oh, man. Great try. Great try. But it is going to be the 2-star here for Lexnos. Which means almualin gets a 2. They'll keep a 1-star advantage. Yep, there is Tryhard. You can see him. You can see Tryhard. There he is. Oh, my. But very great. What a great effort from Lex. Very cool plan indeed. But unfortunately, doesn't come through. Only the 63% 2-star there. Minions before. And he's bringing... Okay, he's not bringing the minions. I was going to say, if you did it again, I would be blown away. But he's got rocket loons to go for this town hall. There is the invisibility spell. Huh? Wait. What? There's... Okay, so there's the freeze delayed. There's lightning behind to take out the monolith. Town hall goes down. Look at, he pulls double giant bombs and some small bombs here. As that golem is tanking some shots, the Electro Titan is down to help clear the CC. As he's going to move his way through with that poison lizard on his warden here. And a baby dragon grabbing the cannon. Very nice. As he's going to continue to move his way to that left side. As these lava pups are going down to the Electro Titan. We got a golem to the right with that warden and RC by themselves. He's going to move his way to the left side towards the scatter. The rockaloons are really just going to be used to pick off defenses on the outside. Skeleton spells to be used on the left to help get some value, or at least provide that distraction. As that pops the warden ability, Headhunters dodge a spring trap, taking out the queen. They're going to run across to the enemy RC, pulls a tornado trap, but the invisibility spell will go down. Actually, it gets activated, but nothing's going to happen there. As the queen takes a jump. Look at the queen. The queen jumping into the core. He's multitasking everything all together. What a way to do this. As rockaloons are now coming through, RC's ability is going to be forced. Queen can take out the poison spell if he uses her ability. He's going to rage the queen. The rage unicorn is going to try to heal this queen, especially after her ability. Look at that. He's still moving through. The queen at her ability takes out the ground expo. Wait, what? How is the queen hanging on? That Warden now moves into the defensive king, pops the queen ability. No, but wait, he gets another trip. The archers are going for the wall. The Warden turns around. He wants to go for the platform for some reason. And okay, he's like, all right, hold on. I forgot that. Let me go pick it up. So he grabs it. The queen's got no health. She's barely hanging on. He uses a goblin to try to distract. The queen is going down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. But that defensive king, that Warden needs to sneak in. The sneaking goblins go for the storage. It's damaging it. Uh-oh. Oh, that Warden. Can he still get this? He's hanging on, Warden. Go for it. No way. He's distracting the king and he 3 stars. What? Oh, my almualin. Holy. Again. What an attack. What? Wow. And there is an 11-9 star victory straight up. But there is still the judging votes.